I got this request to do an eye look using the Danessa Myricks Chrome Flakes, so here it is. I'm all about this life, so let's glow. I'm gonna use this as a base. It's P. Louise Limelight. And I'm taking a flat brush and I'm gonna put it all over my eyelid. And I'm blending it up into the crease because I want this to be a blown out green smoky eye. Taking a fluffy brush to blend that edge so it doesn't have a hard line. I'd rather you use less product and build up than start with too much. And these bases are a little bit thick, so if you use too much, it can be really hard to blend and it can feel heavy on the eye. It's recommended to set them with a translucent powder before you go in with your eyeshadow. And then I'm layering this color from the Michaela Glamlight palette. It's called the Best Color. I'm gonna layer that right on top of this shadow. It's a little bit more mint green than lime green, and I'm okay with that because then I'll have more transition of color because they're a little bit different. And pressing is your best friend so you can control your placement and not get as much fallout. I'm taking the same fluffy brush from earlier and dipping it into Handy, and then I'm just gonna apply this color in my crease to contour the eye, which is gonna give it a little bit of definition. Using the same fluffy brush, I'm picking up this platinum shimmering body powder from Soul Beauty to put a little bit of highlight underneath my eyebrow. Icebreaker from ColourPop in my waterline because why not? I'm picking up a little bit more of the Best Color with a pencil brush and I'm putting it underneath my lower lash line. The Danessa Myricks Chrome Flakes. I'm using shade Laser Beam. When applying gel products like this, I do recommend a really flat brush that's stiff because it's gonna allow you to get full saturation across your whole eyelid. Some people use their finger, so that's an option too. Now the moment we've been waiting for, oh yeah. This spreads so nicely and it is so pretty on top of this eyeshadow. I can just live in glitter. Because my eyes are hooded, I'm gonna drag it just slightly above this fold because I want it to be seen even with my eyes open. A little bit of a winged eyeliner, add some mascara, add on some false eyelashes. And this is the finished look. Let me know in the comments what you think. I think I'm gonna wear this all spring and summer.